How to fix Facebook OTP not received. In today's video, we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search now for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this, scroll down the screen and go to storage. Here on storage, guys, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click now on first stop and click also OK. And what you should do right now, guys, you have to go to this option here, battery. You have to click on optimize it and then go to and restart your phone, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.